guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arshi and I make YouTube videos on makeup and skincare and everything in between. So in today's video हम recreate करेंगे the rose makeup look, the rose pink makeup look. So let's get started with the video. So first and foremost I'll tell you what palette I'm using. आप कोई भी palette use कर सकते हो जिसमें थोड़ा सा movie pink and थोड़ा सा glittery pink हो, and then I'll tell you how to go about it. So let's get started. So for starters, again my favorite, I am using the PAC eyeshadow palette, and मैं for my base or transition shade I am going to use this shade. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so ज़्यादा नहीं लेना है, बहुत थोड़ा सा लेना है, बिकॉज आपको बस बेस अपनी आईलेट कवर करनी है. दैट्स इट. Use, see how lightly I am using the color, because I don't want to the dark pink to overpower the light pink. Okay, now I'll do the other eye. ये मेकअप लुक इतना आसान है, इतनी जल्दी हो जाता है, एंड कोई भी आउटफिट के साथ आप इसको कैरी कर सकते हो. Okay, so we are done with the base color. Let's move on to the glittery pink color. So I'm using the Too Faced palette. So a trick I'll tell you. Whenever you want to get more pigments from your eyeshadow, just do one thing. Take your brush. Sorry, I'll take another brush. Yep, I'm taking this brush. So take your brush and just wet it slightly from a makeup fixer, and then you go ahead and dip it in your eyeshadow. You see how much color it has picked up. अगर आप normally ऐसे करोगे तो शायद इतना pick up नहीं होगा. So now let's go ahead and put it on our eyelids. इसी कितना वेट पिगमेंट आ रहा है, मतलब वेट लुक आ रहा है, एंड लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल. Again I'm going to do the other eye. एंड आपको बहुत हल्के हाथों से करना है ताकि आपका ट्रांजिशन शेड जो है वो बज ना हो. The shade I am using is called Pink Sugar. So you see I'm carrying the pigment towards the inner corner of my eye because I want to highlight that also. So yes, we are done with the eyes. तो ऐसा रोज गोल्ड लुक है ये. And anybody who knows me knows that rose gold is my favorite shade. Okay. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking a little bit of gold pigment and I'll highlight my inner corner. So a trick I like to use is use a cotton swab and then I'll take the gold shade. You see, and then I'll just place it on my inner corner. You see the difference? Not put much pigment, just a little bit. Yep, so we are done here. Now let's move on to our eyeliner and mascara. Okay guys, so I'm done with my liner and mascara. So the next thing we are going to do is our lash line, filling our lash line. So for our lash line, we are going to use this dark shade, purplish shade for our lash line. Take this sort of very thin brush for your lash line and then start applying it very gently. Make a very thin underline inside it. If you guys don't want to do it, you can leave it as is, but I prefer to line my under eye because it gives your eyes a defined shape. So we are done with our under eyes as well. You see how thin I have lined my under eyes. That's how you should do it. I apply kajal also like this. So now you see that our eyes have certain defined shape. So now let's move on to our base and let's clean this Yeah. Okay. So, where is the concealer? Step, which is we are going to set our concealer by using the loose powder. I'm using Maybelline Fit-Me loose powder. Just gonna dab it. Okay, so let's move on to our foundation. I'm using this L'Oreal one, which I always use. Not gonna take much, just gonna take a little bit. अगर आपको बैकग्राउंड में कोई भी नॉइज आ रही है तो प्लीज इग्नोर, घर के काम चल रहे हैं. Okay, so we are done with the foundation. Now we're gonna move to contouring. Yes. So for today, I'm gonna use powder contour from Too Faced. इसकी हालत देख के लग रहा होगा ये बहुत ज़्यादा यूज हो चुका है. So today I'm feeling very sweaty, so that's why I have not used the primer oil, and that's why I'm going to use this powder contour. So today is one of those days in which I feel very sweaty. So let's do contouring. We are doing a very light contouring. You can do as you want. So thumb rule of contouring, you have to make a 3 on your face. So start from your temples, go to your cheeks, then to your chin. See, temple, cheek, chin. See, temple, cheek, chin. So what you're making is 3. So that's how you contour. So we are done contouring. Let's set our face. Again, जब तक फेस सेट होगा फिर हम ब्लश एंड हाइलाइटर वाला पार्ट कर लेंगे. ओके. So I'm gonna set wherever I am feeling very sweaty. Let's move on to a blush. So for blush, I'm using today Anastasia's blush kit. So it has all these 4 pretty colors. So I'm gonna, because today is pink makeup look, I'm gonna mix these 2 colors. And smile and apply blush. Very light. I'm not gonna go overboard with blush today. I don't know, for some reason lighting is really off today. I don't know आपको कितना कलर पिगमेंट दिख रहा है. Yep, we're done with our blush. We're done. Very light. So we have to keep it very subtle today. Okay, so next part is highlighter. Okay, where is my highlighter? So today, because it's a pink look, I'm going to use this pink Master Chrome from Maybelline in the shade Molten Rose. Yeah, Molten Rose Gold. कल मेरे साथ ट्रेजेडी हो गई. ये गिर गया. क्या कर सकते हैं? So again, let's highlight our cheekbones. Yes, you can see this. So for highlighter, I use this motion ताकि आपके temples and your cheekbones is highlighted. Again, same thing here. Temples, cheekbones, nose. Okay, we are done. So we are done with blush, contouring and everything. So let the powder set for a little bit and let's do our lips. So for lipsticks, I'm using 2 lip shades. One is Gulabe from Smashbox and the other is a lip gloss, and it's called Butter Gloss from NYX in the shade Cupcake. So आप इस gloss को ऐसे bare भी पहन सकते हो, bare भी wear कर सकते हो. I just love it. Both of them are available on Nykaa, and I'll link both of them down below in the description box. So let's put our lipstick. Okay. we have set the base. I'm just gonna clean my lipstick a bit. थोड़ी सी फैल गई है. एंड इसके बाद मैं आपको एक ट्रिक बताऊंगी. बहुत लोगों के साथ ये सीन होता है कि जब वो लिपस्टिक लगाते हैं तो उनकी टीथ पे आ जाता है. डू वन थिंग, टेक योर लिटिल फिंगर. जो भी एक्सेस लिपस्टिक होगी आपकी वो आपके फिंगर पे आ जाएगी एंड वो आपके टीथ पे नहीं जाएगी. सो द पॉइंट इज, ये जो आपका मिडल सेक्शन ऑफ द लिप है वहां से आप ये पुल आउट करेंगे. तो यूज करिए ताकि आगे आपके साथ फपा ना हो. Okay, let's top it up with the gloss. I love this pink gloss. So, see how pretty it is. Yes, we are done, baby. So let's remove our excess powder. I'm going to use the bigger brush. Make sure आप ये बहुत लाइट हैंड से कर रहे हैं वरना आपका फाउंडेशन मैसअप हो जाएगा. Seeing the glow, my God. This, oh my God, I have learned from my cousin. हर सेंटेंस के बाद उसका यही रहता है, oh my God. तो संगत का असर तो होगा ना. So guys, we are done with this look. आपने देखा कितना easy है and it is looking so pretty. आप ये नॉर्मल किसी भी आउटफिट के साथ उसको कैरी कर सकते हो. आई मीन इंडियन वेयर के साथ, एथनिक वेयर के साथ, सबके साथ जाएगा. एंड कितना क्विकली हो जाता है एंड ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट भी नहीं लगते. एंड आप हाईलाइट देख रहे हैं, मतलब मेरा तो कैमरे से हट ही नहीं रही है मेरी नज़र की. मतलब क्या कमाल की हाईलाइट की है. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share with your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. मैं अपना इंस्टा हैंडल सब कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक कर दूंगी. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स जिनके लिंक्स मुझे मिल पाएंगे. कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स आई हैव वेंट एंड परचेज आउट ऑफ कंट्री, तो वो शायद यहाँ नहीं मिलेंगे, तो इसलिए बाकी सबके लिंक्स मैं डाल दूंगी. So please like this video, share this video, XOXO, and please take care of yourself, guys. Stay home and stay safe. Love you. Bye.